The upcoming Motorola Razr 2024 seems poised for three significant upgrades: a revamped design, enhanced internals, and the integration of AI capabilities. This insight stems from a Weibo post by Lenovo China's head of mobile devices, Chen Jin. Jin's post hints at the inclusion of a robust chipset in the Motorola Razr, potentially capable of handling AI-driven tasks. The speculation suggests this might involve the incorporation of a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor or an equivalent powerhouse. Expectations also suggest a redesign for the Motorola Razr 2024, drawing parallels to the transformation witnessed between the Motorola Razr 2023 and its Plus variant. The latter introduced a more user-friendly 3.6-inch external quick view screen, significantly enhancing phone usage. Anticipations are high for continued improvements in user experience and the added functionalities of the external display in the upcoming iteration. Previous models of the Motorola Razr earned acclaim primarily for their design, camera capabilities, and impressive battery life. Sustaining the fast charging capability and endurance of the battery remains crucial, with the potential contribution of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 known for boosting battery longevity compared to many other devices in the market. Improving the low-light functionality of the main camera stands out as a key area for enhancement based on the experience with the Motorola Razr in 2023. This enhancement could be readily achieved through AI integration, leveraging its proven track record and elevating camera performance and output. Samsung's recent One 6.2, coupled with Samsung Gauze AI, exemplifies its role in enhancing such features. It's imperative to highlight that these speculated features might be exclusive to phones released within China, and they currently remain within the realm of rumors. Further insights will emerge upon Motorola's official announcement of the phone. Nevertheless, the prospect of these upgrades certainly generates excitement.